Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Smith, and in this video I'm going to show you where I found some of the answer keys for Benchmark Universe. And if you know where the answer keys are, then you can set up some of your questions and assignments, excuse me, to use the same questions, so that makes it easier for our RSP aides and anyone helping your kids with the work. Okay, so once you're in Benchmark Universe, it's easier to sort through if you look at the grade and the unit. And then some of the questions that I've been using are the build, write, reflect. So if you click here and then go to the unit, and I'm sorry, you might hear a weed whacker in the background. Don't worry about it. And then, for example, we're on week 3. Here you can see some sample answers for that. That's pretty cool. Then another thing you could do is down below, if you're looking at if someone asked the text evidence questions, if you click here, and I clicked on the answer key right there, it'll open up this. You go to the unit, and then it opens up this big table. So with that in mind, you might want to be asking these questions, so it'll make it easy for the aides to see these answers and the evidence. One more thing you could do, where was it? Oh boy. If you're using one of these, like the Writing and Language Handbook, then there are answer keys down here. So that would be for, I'm not sure if people are going to use this because you'd have to print out these things, but you could be just like typing up a document that has the same questions and then using them, and that would go along with, I think, some of these mini lessons and other things in the Writing and Language Handbook. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Yeah, if you have any other questions, let me know.